Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, USDCHF today analysis. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are down. Okay, so daily, we are down. Right, let's get back to 4 hour. We are up. So this is box. This is box. This is rectangular box, and that's it. Okay, I think everything is crystal clear. We are consolidating right now. Okay, so this is your box. We are consolidating. Let's delete this and come back to daily now. Okay, so in daily, let's see. This was your new high. Was it? Yes, it was. So this BOS was broken by this blue candle. Then we rejected the EMA as well. Okay, so you see rejection came from the EMA. And this looked like the uptrend, but not until we have a bullish breakout above the EMA. Okay, 2 things here. I think it will come down. Okay, I'm still for downtrend in USDCHF, but at the same time, I'm telling you, avoid trading dollar pairs. I'm telling this to you in my every video right now. What I have seen on Friday, and also what's happening in America. They are going through I think, I don't know what. Okay, I don't know how will they come back to normal situation. Right now America is like fucked up. Okay, so yeah, I would not trade dollar pairs in the meantime. I have too many other pairs to trade. So if you want to look for opportunities in non-USD pairs, you can join my premium signal if you want to. Otherwise, trade dollar pairs at your own risk. Okay, so we are still in the downtrend in USDCHF, and I will look for shorts only, but I will not even look for it because I am not trading dollar pairs. That's it. So if you like what you see, subscribe, like blah blah blah, join my brokers, join the free Telegram, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.